In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add search bar in FlutterFlow. We're going to build a simple search experience that lets users type into a search bar and instantly see matching results in a list below. This is a very practical setup for dashboards, CRMs, directories, or any screen where you want to quickly filter records. Start by opening FlutterFlow and going into the project where you want to add the search feature. Once you're inside the correct page, add a text field widget near the top of the layout. This text field will act as the search bar, so placing it at the top makes it easy for users to find and use. After adding the text field, rename it to search input. Giving widgets clear names is important because you'll need to reference this field later when connecting the search logic. A descriptive name keeps everything organized and makes the setup easier to follow. Next, select that text field and open the Actions panel on the right-hand side. In the text field Actions, add the simple search action under the onChanges trigger. This means the search will run automatically every time the user types, deletes, or updates the text, creating a live search experience without requiring a button press. Once the action is added, choose the database collection you want to search through, then select the specific fields you want included in the search. This part matters because it determines what content FlutterFlow will check against the user's input. For best results, make sure you choose the fields that contain the text users are most likely to search for. Then set the search term to widget state and select search input. This tells FlutterFlow to use whatever the user is typing into that text field as the active search term. Now, add a list view below the search bar. This list view will display the results returned by the simple search action. After that, open the Generate Dynamic Children tab on the list view so the list can be populated dynamically from your search output. Create the variable for this list and name it search results. Then set its source value to action outputs and choose simple search results. At this point, the list view is now connected to the results being returned from the search action. Finally, map the text fields inside each list item to the new search results variable. This ensures each row displays the data from the matching records instead of static placeholder content. And that's it. You now have a working search bar in FlutterFlow that updates a dynamic list as the user types. If you want a cleaner user experience, take a moment afterward to adjust the styling of the text field and list view so the search feels polished and easy to use.